Are you craving a meal that melts in your mouth, tender packed with flavor? In today's recipe, we are slow cooking these delicious chicken thighs with a rich honey garlic sauce and sweet caramelized onions, perfect for cozy dinners or even an addition to your delicious holiday table. Just set it and forget it for the juiciest, most flavorful chicken you've ever tasted. Preheat your oven at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, you will require 2 large onions, diced to your preferred choice, and then set them aside until it is required. We are going to prepare the chicken, seasoned with the ingredients on the screen: paprika, garlic powder, ginger powder, thyme, rosemary, pepper flakes, salt, and half knorr cube, which is definitely optional. Massage all the ingredients right into the chicken, and then we are going straight ahead to cook the chicken immediately. So this step is now done. We're going to pan-sear the chicken for exactly 5 minutes. I'll add 2 tablespoons of oil inside the pot, allow that to preheat a little bit, and then we will now sear the chicken skin side down first, just to make sure it's a little bit browned. Point in time, my kitchen smells incredibly amazing. All right. Okay, so once that step is done, we're going to flip the chicken once again and cook it, just so that the flavors are well enhanced inside there. This is how incredibly and beautiful it looks. The chicken now is perfectly cooked. Let everything off into another bowl or pan, just because we're going to still use the same pot. Inside the same pot, if you need extra oil, just include 1 to 2 tablespoons extra. We're going to cook the aromatics. We'll add the onions and then saute that until it becomes very soft and translucent. This step should take exactly 5 good minutes. Once it is now ready, you can see how it looks. Oh my goodness, my kitchen smells so good, guys. I will add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and stir that for extra 1 minute. If you're using the fresh garlic, you're going to cook for extra 3 good minutes. I'm going to include 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 large tablespoon of honey. The honey is going to bring in a desired sweetness to the dish. If you don't want to use honey, you can substitute that by using brown sugar. I will also add 1 cup of homemade chicken stock. If you don't want to use the homemade one, you can buy a store-bought one. Stir in that and then add extra little bit of salt to taste and 1 tablespoon of pepper flakes. I am using the pepper flakes because I want extra heat. The sauce now is ready after a few minutes of stirring that in. I have rearranged all the chicken back to the same pot and then poured in the sauce that we just made right now on top of it, and that's just everything about it. Spread the sauce just to cover the chicken entirely. Transfer to the oven. We are going to slow bake this for exactly 2 to 3 hours at 150 degrees Celsius. Now guys, just take a good look at what we have after 2 to 3 hours of cooking this chicken. I'll garnish with fresh parsley, and guys, just look at how delicious and radiantly gorgeous our chicken turned out. You can serve the slow cooked chicken thighs with variety of side dishes that complement the rich flavors of chicken. You can try it with creamy mashed potatoes, roasted vegetables, steamed rice, couscous, butter garlic, green beans, or even cauliflower mash. For today's recipe, we are going to enjoy with boiled rice. And guys, this chicken melts in your mouth as delicious as possible. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have enjoyed today's recipe. Remember to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel.